PrestaShop.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to PrestaShop.com, which is an e-commerce platform known for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. It allows businesses to create and manage online stores with ease, offering various themes, models, and plugins to enhance functionality with a global community of developers and users. PrestaShop.com fosters continuous support and improvement. It enables secure payment integration, multi-language support, and SEO-friendly features, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes looking to establish an online presence and boost sales. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. As you can see, you have the language here if you want to change the language, and you have the login button if you want to log to your account, and here if you want to start your new account. So by scrolling down, we can see the stores and the stores examples in the platform, so we can check all store examples. So let's scroll down to see the store examples. So we have the Hygienes, Magimix, Bleu de Chauffe, Delay. So you can just click on one store and let's check it out. So this is our store example, as you can see. So it's a pretty decent store. It's well designed, a lot of features, as you can see, the secure payments, join the community, connected customer service, promotion, delivery, countries. It's a very friendly interface. So let's try to discover some products. So I like this store. It's a very friendly store, as you can see. Can buy from here. You just click the product, and here you are. You can choose the color, add to cart, or refresh. So you have the free shipping, the help, description. So it's a well designed store, as you can see. It's a very good example. So let's close this one. So you can scroll and see other examples if you want, but let's go back and let's get started with this platform. So we hit get started. So let's get started with the platform, the e-commerce solution available as a free download. So we give them our email and we select our profile. If you are an agency, freelance, merchant, or a technology partner, so let's say we're a freelance and continue. So the software is downloading, as you can see from here. So we started downloading the software. So after the download is complete, you can be able to create your stores with the platform in an easy way. So by scrolling down to the bottom, you can see here the PrestaShop, and you can go to the Become an Affiliate section and you click on it, and you can see Discover the PrestaShop Affiliate Program. So you can make money by referring or marketing the PrestaShop platform. So you hit Become an Affiliate. So it takes us to this page. We hit sign up, and then we have the PrestaShop contact terms. You just wait for it to upload. So this is the contract terms, as you can see. you get 5 euros per order or per download of the software. As you can see, you have the schedule, payout scheduling, qualified referrals, last click, allow referrals from clicks within 30 days, model sale 10%. So just go through the PrestaShop contract terms. As you can see, here we have the subscription 20 euros. For every subscription you get 20 euros. And then if you accepted all the terms, you click accept. Then you can sign up and start earning with your email, or you can go with your Apple account, Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, or LinkedIn. And if you already have an account, you can just sign in with embark.com. So let's hit sign up with email. So we have to fill this information: our first name, last name, username, email address, password, and our mobile number. Then we agree with those partner user agreement, and if you want to receive the latest partnership news via email, you click this one also. So I'm going to fill this information and get back with you. So after completing the information, a verification code will be sent to your mobile phone. So then you will type the verification the code that was sent to your mobile phone, and you hit verify. If you didn't receive the code, you can always click resend. Then you answer these questions: what is your primary business model? Content reviews, deal coupons, loyalty rewards, creator, network, media arbitrage, cross audience, monetization. So you choose one of these options. So let's go with the content reviews. I think you can choose just one. You can't be two in one time. And then you hit continue. Which methods do you use to promote? Choose all that applies. You can choose all the methods that you use. So let's see. You can add a website or your social media accounts or your mobile application, podcast, email, newsletter, or an offline. So I'm going with the email newsletter, and then I'm going to choose the email newsletter name, the description, the send from email address, mailing list size, and continue with filling all this information. And then I will hit save, and you will be good to go. And they will give you your link or your referral link that you can post on your, you can send with your newsletter, or you can post in your social media or your YouTube account or chain, or the place that you promote your affiliate with. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.